Do you ever think too much, even when the problem is small? I think, well, we all do. But today, let's talk about how to stop overthinking, right? Sometimes our mind feels like a fast machine. It keeps thinking and thinking and thinking, and even the small problems becomes big inside our head. This is what we call overthinking. Overthinking makes us tired. It makes us worry about things that don't or didn't even happen yet. It can steal our peace, our sleep, and our happiness. But the good news is we can train our mind to stop overthinking. How we can do it? First, remember this. Not every thought is true. Just because our mind says something doesn't mean you have to believe it. Thoughts come and go, like clouds in the sky. Second, bring yourself back to the present. Feel your breath, feel your feet touching the ground. Look around you. When you return to the present moment, your mind becomes calm. Third, do not try to solve everything at one time. Just take one small step, one thing at a time. Overthinking often comes when trying to control everything, but life becomes easier when we focus on the next small step. First, talk to someone you trust. Sometimes you just sharing your feeling can make your mind lighter, and you don't need to carry every thought alone. And finally, be kind to yourself. It's okay to not have every answer. It's okay to take time, and it's okay to learn slowly. We are human, right? And we grow a little by little. When we stop overthinking, we don't become perfect. We just become more peaceful, and peace is the most beautiful gift we can give ourselves. So today, if your mind feels heavy, take a slow breath and tell yourself, I don't need to think about everything right now. One step is enough.